Hi, I'm Gary Elm with Vision Engineering, and today we're reviewing our most popular products to date, the Vision Engineering Mantis Compact and Mantis Elite Stereo viewers. The Mantis Compact is the baby of the family. It's a low power viewer working with a range of 2 times to 8 times. There's 4 individual lenses available in increments of 2, so 2, 4, 6, or 8 times magnification. These lenses are easily changed on the fly. The system incorporates built-in LED lighting for white, shadow-free illumination. It's available on a very flexible universal stand. It's also available on a bench stand that the Mantis Elite is sitting on. The system offers a very high resolution stereo image that's easy on the operator's eyes and easy to use in general. Working distance is good. At 4x magnification, you have about 3.5 inches, quite often used for assembly and rework in addition to inspection. The big brother to the Mantis Compact is the Mantis Elite. The Elite is more powerful and it has more options available. With an Elite, you can have a magnification range between 2 and potentially as high as 20x based on applications. The Elite is capable of holding 2 lenses at a time, so you can have a low power lens for big field of views and large working distance, and a high power lens for inspection of work that you've done underneath it. In this instance, we have a 4x and a 10x in there. So at 4x, we have great working distance and a large field of view to the scope of about 1 inch. We can easily take that and flip it right up to 10 times magnification. 4x and 8x or 4x and 10x are by far the most popular choices with the Mantis Elite. Here the Elite is sitting on our bench stand. It's also available on the same stand that the Mantis Compact was on. On the bench stand as we have it configured now, this stand gives you the ability to have both transmitted and reflected light. So I have rheostat control over my surface illumination, and I have a separate control for transmitted light, my substage illumination. This is the only stand that we offer that option on for people that need that kind of illumination. With all Vision products, we pride ourselves on ergonomics. Again, you have a stereo image, but you're not married to eyepieces. You sit, look ahead, and have a straight-on stereo image that's exceptionally high resolution and very bright. This variant of our Mantis Elite is the Mantis Elite Cam HD. It incorporates a full HD camera into the Mantis. You can't tell that the camera is in there other than the fact that it has a USB connection on the back. USB runs to your PC, boot up the software, and you now see what the operator sees in the scope on your computer screen. The image is live to the computer and the operator can't tell that it's even there. There's no beam splitter or levers that you have to throw. It does not capture an optical path, it shares it. The camera will let you capture still images. It will also let you capture moving images in a MPEG format. Mantis systems come with multiple stand options. The most popular stand we offer is our universal or boom stand. It offers great flexibility and easy articulation. You can move it out of the way when you're not using it, easily adjusts for height and focus, and fits a wide range of operators. Applications for the Mantis are as varied as your imagination. We have systems being used in assembly, rework, deburring, dental, hair transplant, medical manufacturing, jewelry, literally as varied as your imagination. Wherever you need magnification, high resolution, and bright images, Mantis is for you.